As y'all can see right now, we have the infamous Cybertruck by Tesla, man. This is like one car that just came out by Tesla, and I just want to say, like, it looks pretty good. Like, it's shaped like a triangle, you know what I'm saying? And the wheels is, ain't nothing special about the wheels for real. But it's kind of like, if you look at it, it's kind of like a metal, like a metal. And the lights, it goes all around like the look, it go all around, y'all, which is like a pretty cool feature, because like, if y'all know, like other cars, they be having like the lights just stop right there, but this is, it just go all around and shit. And yeah, and then it says the foundation series, because the reason why I think it says that, because like, I don't think like they made that many of them. Like you gotta order or something like that. But yeah, foundation. So right now we're in the back of the Cybertruck Tesla, right? And as y'all can see, they have like a little mini cooler right here. You can put a couple drinks, put some ice, because I'm pretty sure they got like a drain where you can drain the water and stuff. But this is pretty cool. The light is different. Everything is just different about this car. Like, this is one of them cars that you get, and you just like, you would drive it, but you actually like put it up. It's not like a collection drive it. It's like a collection type of car, yo. Like, and then they have the button right here, but I'm not gonna press it because, you know what I'm saying. But it kind of like, the cover kind of like go all the way down. It comes from the top right there, it go all the way down to the top. But look at this thing, man. And I'm pretty sure this is bulletproof. If I'm not sure, this is bulletproof and stuff. Which is, I ain't gonna lie, which is like a great feature. But this is gonna make the whole car bulletproof, like from the glass to the body. But the body's only bulletproof and stuff. It's nice though. Alright, YouTube. One thing that I want to point out is the camera right here. That they have the little camera right there. It's a nice little camera. I think it's like the sensor, like the camera sensor and stuff. And then you have these lights right here on this side, and you got it on the other side too, which is pretty cool on a car. So this is the interior of the car. It says Cybertruck right here. You know what I'm saying? You have a very big dashboard. You know what I mean? Look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is different as hell. Like, you have a couple lights right here, nice little suede. You know what I mean? Pretty nice car. You have a big dashboard right there. Like, look at this shit, y'all. And then you got the back seat of the car, which is pretty cool. Like, look at this junk, y'all.
I like that.
This is crazy. Like, do y'all see the detail in here? This screen right here, it's kind of like the control, everything you do, everything right here. And then you got the steering wheel and stuff. Like the door panel, it's kind of like the door panel is white, and it kind of like match the whole interior. And I'm pretty sure you have like a couple like lights right here for the car. Pretty nice car, y'all. And then you have the panoramic roof on the back. Like, this is crazy. This is insane, YouTube. And you have this little camera right here.
Excuse me. What's your YouTube?
Dondrippy TV. Dondrippy. I got you. And then you have the foundation right there, which is pretty cool, man. Let me get out this motherfucker. But it's hard. And you got the look at the back. Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see right now, but we have a Ferrari F8 Trooper right here, you know what I'm saying? It's in red, and it has black rims on it. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this Ferrari right here is the dream car. Like, as y'all can see the interior, it's kind of like Alcantara a little bit, and it got a little red stripe on it. But I just want to say right here, this car is the dream. I can't really like go in there because the owner is not here right now, but I'm gonna give y'all like a walk around, because this Ferrari, bro, this the one. Like, look at this, man. Like, you have, you know what I'm saying, we have a couple vent right here, you feel me? So when when you're going fast, the engine, all that. And on top of that, you have like a little loop right here. I don't know why this is here, but this is hard. You feel me? Like, look at this car, y'all. This is beautiful. That nice little Ferrari logo. And like, look how big this Brembo's is. And that shit said Ferrari on it too. Yeah, this is like the dream car. Like, I really want to show y'all the inside, but I can't really show y'all the inside because the owner's not here right now. But this is like the dream car. And not only that, we have one Ferrari, we have another Ferrari right here. Like, this one has a yellow brake caliper with the black rims. You know what I mean? It's red too, and this got red interior and stuff. And I just want to say, this is beautiful. Like, this is the car. This is the dream car. You feel me? And then we have a mini Ferrari right here, y'all. This is the mini Ferrari for your kid. Let's say you wanna get you and your girlfriend one. You get this for you. This for your girlfriend. This for your kid. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in the family got a Ferrari. No cap. All right, YouTube. As y'all can see, we have a couple vents right here. We have one on this side and another one on the other side right here. And this kind of like the airflow. So when when the engine is, getting hot, or like when you're driving, the air go through the engine or whatever. But like, just take a look at this Ferrari again one more time, y'all, because this thing right here is a beauty, man. Like, it's beauty. You feel me? But I think it's the same spec as this one right here, so it's not really like a big of a difference besides the seat, because this one is Alcantara, red stripe on it, and then this one is kind of like red leather gut. You know what I'm saying? Red gut. But they both do the same thing, and I think this one might be a newer version too, because I don't think they made these, and well, they probably did, but this one is the newer version for sure. And it's kind of like the older version, but you can't really tell, because the thing about the car industry, y'all, like what this car company are doing, is literally doing the same thing. They probably like change like one or two things on a car for real. But other than that, it's the same thing. So just know that, because it's kind of like a scam, pretty much, but not really. But it is a scam, because you can get the same one. You can get this one right here, probably for like maybe like $50,000 less than this one, because it's just newer. But it's whatever though. It's whatever you want to do. So we have the F8 right here, and then I think we have like another Ferrari, but I don't know exactly which spec this is. But look at this Ferrari, y'all. This is my fault, y'all. This is insane. Like, you have the carbon fiber on the wings, pretty much. You have the engine in the back. Engine in the back, all that. You got the carbon fiber right there too. Nice car, man. Nice car.
Probably don't want to leave like that.
Mini Ferrari for your kid. Alright, YouTube. I just want to say, like, look how big the brake calipers is. I mean the Brembos and shit. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is like one of the dream cars. Like, I didn't know that the Ferrari had a like little key thing right there. It's cool. But you have carbon fiber right there. You know what I'm saying? And then if you look at the interior, it's way good. It's like, you know what I mean? Ferrari's just a nice car, bro. And then you have a sensor camera right here on the side. The Ferrari logo, you know. I'm pushing. That's like the Italian flag right there, on the logo. Very good detail for y'all. And then you have a vent right here, an airflow vent, so the air can go through go through right here. And then you have another sensor camera on this side right here. Big Brembo brakes, you know what I'm saying? Big rims and all that. And then you have the same thing on this side. Yeah, y'all, this is a pretty nice car, man. Pretty nice car. And then you have the engine in the back, the beast. That's what I call that. I call that the beast in the back. You too. Would y'all get a Ferrari F8? Because would. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a nice Ferrari, man. This is too crazy, bro. Nice Ferrari. Oh, one more thing, y'all. The steering wheel is carbon fiber, y'all. Make sure y'all peep that too. It's carbon fiber. Pretty nice car, man.